Hello. My name is Werner, and I am here to tell you about house training a puppy 101, what to do when accidents happen. Have you ever been over to a friend's house when they were house training a puppy and seen their reaction to the puppy having an accident inside the home? The bottom line in house training a puppy is that accidents are bound to happen. One common mistake in house training a puppy occurs when the owner punishes the animal for a mess that he or she did not catch it making. You can, however, discipline your puppy if you catch it in the act of urinating or defecating, as long as the discipline is appropriate and unemotional. House training a puppy, however, should never involve punishment. Yes, it can be frustrating when you are house training a puppy that just doesn't seem to get it.